Welcome to the 13th World Stroke Congress WSC virtual platform. You will receive your login credentials in your welcome letter. Access the WSC platform for a tailor-made virtual experience via the event website login page. Select your preferred time zone to follow the program schedule according to your local time. To access the Congress lobby, click on the Enter Here sign. Choose a place to explore either from the top menu bar or the lobby areas. Check the scientific program to access the full virtual Congress schedule. Learn how to claim up to 22 European external CME credits. Check the latest scientific research and browse the e-poster gallery. Explore the different auditoriums to watch broadcasted scientific and sponsored sessions available on demand for 3 months after the Congress. Click on the auditorium screen to open a list of all sessions. Select your preferred hall and scroll through the list of sessions by days. Create a customized agenda and don't miss a session by adding it to your calendar. To watch sessions that will be broadcasted live according to the program, click on Join. Click on Play to watch sessions on demand. Enter the exhibition to meet all WSC supporters and access their booths. Check the sponsored sessions to learn about various opportunities and innovations. Select one of the exhibitors' booths from the exhibition floor. Each booth includes information about the exhibitor, videos, useful links, and downloadable resources that can be added to your virtual bag for a later review. Chat with participants and exhibitors visiting the booths at the same time as you are. Contact the booth representatives by sending them a message. Swipe your badge to be contacted directly by the exhibitor representatives. Join the networking lounge to communicate with fellow participants. Share your experience on the WSC social media channels using hashtag WSC2021. Are you interested to know who is joining you from around the world? Click on Countries and Delegates for a world map with your international colleagues. Click on SparkX to connect with the right people thanks to a powerful matchmaking algorithm. Check your professional recommendations and reach out by giving them a like. If you both like each other, then you are a match. Book a meeting or start a chat via SparkX. Access the chat to join a public chat room or even create a private one. Open a direct chat with any participant. Follow the Twitter wall feed for live updates. Be part of the story by sharing with hashtag WSC2021. Save and view documents in your virtual bag. Check your messages to read the latest WSC 2021 notifications. Check the leaderboard for the most active participants. The more participants explore the online event, the more points they will gain. To easily locate a specific session, speaker, exhibitor, or any related exhibitor documentation and video, click on the search functionality and type any keyword. For more information on the WSC virtual platform areas, visit the How to Use the Virtual Platform tab. If you have any questions, contact the technical support team via the chat icon available on all platform pages during the Congress days. The platform will remain open for 3 months following the live Congress days. We are excited that you are joining us for the 13th World Stroke Congress.